Go ride your bike. Step one is to ride the bike. You just got a cool new bike. Now you should go ride it. Specifically, don't ride it to work is actually what that's my caveat here is go ride it somewhere fun. Go to the park, go to the beach, go to a coffee shop, farmer's market, whatever. Maybe make a plan with your new vehicle to go ride it somewhere fun that's not about work. You know, your work's not checking in on you. Like, are you okay? You can only use this bike for work. The bike is yours to use. And obviously, you know, your work probably wants you to use it as a commute, and it's a great tool for that. But if you want to use your bike, you gotta get to know it. Maybe it's an e-bike. It's got some crazy features. Maybe you're new to, you know, gears or hydraulic brakes or all of this stuff. Go ride it in a stress-free, work stress-free environment, and like get a sense for it. And I think that's going to start you off better than anything, because there's nothing worse than you got a new bike, you're not really quite sure how it works yet, and now you got to get to work and you got like a meeting at like 10 a.m. and something that is doing something weird and you don't know how to get there. That's too stressful. Baby steps. You gotta baby steps it up there. Hi, Nick here. Thanks for watching part 1 of my 9-part series titled Getting to Work Made Easy. This series is all about making commuting easier and more stress-free. So if you're new to commuting with a Ride Panda bike or scooter, this is the perfect place to start. Make sure to check out part 2 where I talk about a safety check you can do before every ride. And also subscribe to the channel so you can catch the whole series. Thanks so much.